Hello and welcome to this lesson about data types in the C# programming language. In this lesson we are going to be discussing the basic data types available in C#. The first data type in the C# programming language is called int. Stands for integer number data type, and we have a simple example here to define an integer number. Int my num equals 30 and semicolon at the end of the statement. The type for 30 in this case is an integer number data type, so we specify this by using the int keyword. Integer number is any number without decimal point, including positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers also. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. All these numbers are integer numbers. 0 is an integer number also, and also -1, -2, -3 and so on. All these numbers, all these negative numbers without decimal points are integer numbers also. The second data type available in the C# programming language we have here is long, and this data type also is used to specify integer numbers, but its size is much bigger. Its size is 8 bytes, not 4 bytes like int. And to specify long, use the long keyword before the variable name, exactly as in this example here. Long my num equals this long number followed by the capital letter L and semicolon at the end of the statement. You must place L at the end of this number to make it long. The next data type we are gonna talk about is called float. Stands for floating point number, any number with a decimal point. And to specify floating point number, put the capital letter F at the end of the value, as in this example here. Float my num equals 7.31 F and semicolon at the end of the statement also. And the size for this data type is 4 bytes. And you can use double also to initialize floating point numbers, and this is the most popular data type for initializing floating point numbers, and the size of double is 8 bytes. Double or floating point numbers including positive numbers and negative numbers also. And we have a simple example here to assign double to a variable by using the double keyword. And you can see the capital letter D at the end of the value. 31.9 is a floating point number, and D refers to double at the end of this value, and semicolon at the end of this statement. And the next data type we are gonna talk about is bool, refers to boolean, and bool or boolean represents two values only, true or false, and this data type is used in comparison operations and also in the conditional statements test expressions. The char data type is used to store characters or to specify characters in the C# programming language, and this data type is used to store a single character only, like A, B, C, D and so on, exactly as in this example here. The char keyword followed by the variable name new character in this case, and single equal sign to assign a character to this variable called new character, and this character in this case is E, and we use single quotes to store characters in the C# language. The last data type we have here is string, to store sequence or collection of characters by using quotes. And this is one of the most popular data type used to store text or sequence of characters by using quotes. And to do that in the C# programming language, we use the keyword string. As in this example here, we have the string keyword followed by the variable name message in this case, and our collection of characters in this example is hello inside double quotes and semicolon at the end of this statement also. That's all about it. These are the basic data types available in the C# programming language: int, long, float, double, bool, char and finally string. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next lesson.